Imagine this, make a wish. All of us, we love cuddlefish. Diddly-ding. Bum ba-dum, bum bum ba-dum, bum bum ba-dum, bum bum ba-dum, bum bum. A is for apple, red and round. B is for bee that buzzes around. C is for cat who likes to nap. D is for drum, give it a tap, tap, tap. A, B, C, come sing with me. Learning letters is fun, you'll see. From A to Z, let's clap and play. We'll learn our letters every day. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish that swims all day. G is for guitar, strum along. H is for hat, come join our song. A, B, C, come sing with me. Learning letters is fun, you'll see. From A to Z, let's clap and play. We'll learn our letters every day. I is for igloo, cold and bright. J is for jelly, sweet and light. K is for kangaroo, hop, hop, hop. L is for ladder, climb to the top. M and N and O and P, letters dancing happily. Q and R and S and T, learning's fun for you and me. U is for umbrella, keeps us dry. V is for violin, play it high. W, whale, splashing wide. X marks the spot, come take a ride. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Z is for zebra, stripes all around. A, B, C, we sang with glee. Now you know your A to Z. Clap your hands and shout hooray. We learned our letters all today. All of us, we love cuddlefish.